So I prefer that suburb area with trees and the ocean. It's like a nice little community. Any other places you guys want to go visit? What about you guys? You guys got Pasadena? Whoa. All right. I haven't been there. I wouldn't mind going there. I kind of want to visit most of everywhere. But my next trip or my next plan is either in South Korea or Japan. Japan because I love sushi. South Korea, I don't know why I want to go to South Korea. I just do. Well, I already went to Canada. Canada was nice too. Vancouver was fantastic. So why do you guys want to go to these places? I mean, I already talked to you about it. Why do you want to go to Pasadena?
I think that's probably American radio.
Okay. Okay.
The biggest nice ever.
All right. All right. What would you do there? Do you know?
Me?
Yeah, just look around. Just see it, admire it. Okay.
I think children is
All right. Very good. Cool. Let's see. Let's take a look at these real quick. Okay, would you guys prefer to go alone or would you prefer to go with a group? Go alone. You guys would prefer to go alone?
Yeah. Go group, right?
It's what? Oh. So if you're traveling in a group, it's more safe, yes. If you're alone, it can get a little dangerous depending on what part of town you go to. That is everywhere. I'm sure if I was walking down like a really bad part of I don't know, really bad places around here, but I'm sure something would happen. Just risk of it. But yeah, no, going in a group has its benefits. You have a group of people, it's more safe. However, it also has its disadvantages as well. If you go alone, you can do whatever you want. You can go and see wherever you want. If you're in a group, you kind of have to take a general consensus of where you guys are going next. So some of you, like, if I was traveling with the other two teachers, I'd be like, I want to go see the Great Wall.